The P0345 code means the ECM has detected a problem with the camshaft position sensor A on bank 2. In simple terms, the ECM isn't getting a proper signal from the cam sensor, and that can affect how it controls timing and fuel delivery. In a V-type engine like a V6 or V8, bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder 1. The first cause could be a faulty camshaft position sensor on bank 2. If the sensor is cracked, shorted, or worn out internally, it may not send the reliable signal to the ECM, which will trigger the code. The second cause could be damaged wiring or a poor connection at the cam sensor. Look for broken wires, corroded pins, or loose plugs that could interrupt the signal. The third cause could be a timing issue, such as a stretched timing chain, worn timing gears, or a skipped tooth. If the mechanical timing is off, the cam and crank signals won't line up and the ECM will detect the fault. The fourth cause could be a problem with the camshaft phaser or VVT system. If the camshaft can't adjust properly due to a stuck phaser, clogged VVT solenoid, or low oil pressure, the sensor may show incorrect timing even though the sensor itself is fine. The last possible cause is a faulty ECM, but that's rare. If the computer can't read or interpret the cam sensor signal correctly, it might trigger the P0345 code. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment down below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.